Hello everyone! Welcome to Sew Aldo Vlogs! Today, my kids and I are going to do some resin art. Yeah, this is like last day of our fall break. So we are going to do some resin art. We're actually doing a lot of arts and crafts this whole entire week. But today I am going to film it so we can share it with you what we had been doing on our fall break. It's just going to be a fun day for everyone. No house cleaning, I guess. Well, that's impossible because I clean the house all the time. So yeah, let's just scratch that. This was the dress that I posted today. And I love how it turned out. Oh my goodness. These buttons right here are so adorable. So we are going to start our resin art. Darling, can you get the basket over there? We are going to set up our workspace.
Clean.
Okay, and what designs are you going to use? So we have plenty of embellishments
use
here.
all of them.
All of them this time?
Yeah, not really.
Stuff here are actually purchased off of Amazon. And these are like
Pressed
dried
flowers.
pressed flowers. So right there. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? What's
art.
next?
So, like, we put the
first
stuff in.
you are going to create your design. Are you going to add glitter?
Yes. Maybe not this time.
Like this time, okay. Do your design first. To put the gloves on.
We need mask.
No. This is just like a small amount that it doesn't even stink. Okay guys, I am going to close the vlog here. Tomorrow I am going to show you the final results of the resin art that we made today. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope that you find some inspiration on what to do with your kids, like arts and crafts, stuff like that. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!